विकसित भारत, विकसित मणिपुर। मैं माननीय प्रधानमंत्री जी से निवेदन करती हूँ कि वे 7,300 करोड़ रुपए लागत से बने वाले 19 परियोजनाओं की आधारशिला रखने हेतु आधारशिला पट्टिकाओं का बटन दबाकर अनावरण करें। धन्यवाद महोदय।
Under the visionary leadership of Honorable Prime Minister Shri Narendra Modi, Manipur is witnessing a new era of transformation through massive investments across sectors.
हमने नॉर्थ ईस्ट के साथ केवल योजनाओं के माध्यम से रिश्ता नहीं जोड़ा, हमने दिल से रिश्ता बनाया है।
Today, foundation stones are laid for 19 projects worth more than 7,300 crore rupees. A giant step towards making Manipur economically vibrant and future ready. Under the PM Divine scheme, super speciality healthcare infrastructure will be established in 5 remote districts: Chandel, Jiribam, Senapati, Tamenglong and Ukru at a cost of over 100 crore rupees. This will bring advanced medical care closer to the people, ensuring better health outcomes and reducing out-of-pocket expenses. Connectivity is the backbone of development. With an investment of over 2,560 crore rupees, the Tengnopal Shangshak National Highway and the projects under the Imphal-Ukhrul Jesami Economic Corridor under the Bharatmala Pariyojana will transform Manipur's economic landscape. To empower women and ensure their participation in the workforce, foundation stones are laid for 9 working women's hostels worth over 140 crore rupees. These hostels will provide modern amenities, safe living spaces and an ecosystem for growth. In the digital age, Manipur is preparing for the future. The Manipur Infotech Development Project, with an investment of 550 crore rupees, will promote digital skills, entrepreneurship and create opportunities in the global IT industry. Education is the foundation of progress. With an investment of over 130 crore rupees under the NESIDS OTRI scheme, 120 high schools and higher secondary schools across the state will be strengthened. Additionally, the infrastructure development of Oriental College, Takyel, funded by the NEC at a cost of 6 crore rupees, will enhance higher education facilities in Manipur. Tourism is a symbol of Manipur's rich heritage and culture. At Ibudhau Marching Polo Ground, infrastructure development worth 30 crore rupees under NESIDS OTRI will boost tourism around this historic site. Further, the Barak Heritage Festival and tourism infrastructure at Koide Bisho village, Senapati, funded by the NEC at a cost of 4 crore rupees, will showcase the cultural vibrancy of the region. In the field of renewable energy, the installation of a grid-connected SPV power plant at power substations and a 5-megawatt floating SPV power plant at the Thaubal Multipurpose Project Reservoir is being taken up under NESIDS OTRI through MoneyRadar with an investment of 33 crore rupees. These projects will provide clean energy and ensure sustainable power for Manipur's future. Manipur, the powerhouse of sports, will receive a boost with a new multi-purpose indoor hall at Kuman Lampak worth 36 crore rupees, nurturing the next generation of champions. Finally, with an investment of around 3,650 crore rupees, the Urban Roads, Drainage and Asset Management Project will strengthen Manipur's urban infrastructure, improve connectivity and reduce maintenance costs, enabling more funds for rural road development. From healthcare to highways, from women's empowerment to digital innovation, from sports to sustainable infrastructure, these foundation stones are not just projects. They are the building blocks of a stronger, prosperous and resilient Manipur.
मणिपुर के मेरे भाई और बहनों, आप सबको नमस्कार। मणिपुर की ये धरती हौसलों और हिम्मत की धरती है। ये हिल्स प्रकृति का अनमोल उपहार है और साथ ही ये हिल्स आप सभी लोगों की निरंतर मेहनत का भी प्रतीक है। मैं मणिपुर के लोगों के जज्बे को सैल्यूट करता हूं। इतनी भारी बारिश में भी आप इतनी बड़ी संख्या में यहां आए, मैं आपके इस प्यार के लिए आपका आभार व्यक्त करता हूं। भारी बारिश के कारण मेरा हेलीकॉप्टर नहीं आ पाया, तो मैंने सड़क मार्ग से आना तय किया और आज मैं सड़क पर जो दृश्य देखे तो मेरा मन कहता है कि परमात्मा ने अच्छा किया कि मेरा हेलीकॉप्टर आज नहीं चला और मैं रोड से आया और जो रास्ते भर तिरंगा हाथ में लेकर के अबाल वृद्ध सबने जो प्यार दिया, जो अपनापन दिया, मेरे जीवन में मैं इस पल को कभी नहीं भूल सकता। मैं मणिपुर वासियों का सर झुका करके